Hi, dear client, this video is for you. We've just starting our 5th week of lockdown, and as a moral support to you, I decided to keep my roots too. So, as you can see, they're quite bad. I've got about 6 weeks of regrowth. So today I want to show you a way to style your hair so that would disguise your roots. So any good hair day will start with a good shampoo, conditioner, and using the right styling product. Before you shampoo your hair, you need to brush your hair thoroughly, like so, okay? So that's obviously detangle all your hair. If you wet your hair with knots, it will tangle even more and make the shampoo and the conditioner much more difficult. So bear with me, I come back in a minute. Hi again. So today I've used the Momo shampoo, which is for dehydrated hair. I don't know if you noticed, but my hair was actually quite dry, really. So this one is a really good moisturizing shampoo, and it has yellow melon extract for extra rehydration. I did 2 shampoo, really important. When you shampoo your hair, you've got to make sure you use this part of your finger and you give you a good massage. Always squeeze the excess of water in between your 2 shampoos, otherwise you dilute the product. For conditioner, actually today I decided to do a mask, again, because my hair was totally dehydrated, and I used the Quick Fix Circle. I absolutely love that mask. It really gives a bit of pep to my hair, and it really makes it, you'll see, I'll make it quite shiny. I do love that little packaging. For my kind of hair, I've got about 3 applications in this. So when you go on holiday, it's actually perfect. And it's got a really clever little top there that you can seal back the bag of hair. Again, before you apply your conditioner or your mask, you've got to really squeeze all the excess of water, and you could also use a towel if you would like, just to take even more moisture out of the hair. So, okay, so now you need to detail, oh my God, my roots, woo! Okay, so, I'm going to use, I'm going to use a curl primer as a detangler. So, like just few spray, don't need to use a lot of product. Okay, and that's just gonna help me to detangle my hair. Okay, like so what I'm going to do is I'm going to scrunch dry my hair and give my hair as much volume as possible to disguise those roots. Another little tip is my parting. Instead of doing a parting which is straight like this, I'm going to do it diagonal, so I get a better distribution of my hair. And again, that's really enabled me to give extra volume. Okay, right, so first thing is I'm going to rough dry my hair, but what I'm doing is I'm not going to rough dry willy-nilly like this. I'm going to cut my hair in my hand, and like that I'm not risking with the wind of my dryer to straighten my hair. Oops, sorry, not plugged. Okay, so rule number 1, plug your hair dryer. So I'm going to work on the highest heat but the lowest blow, because I don't want to straighten my hair with the blow of the dryer. I'm also tipping my hair down like so. So at the same time, I'm giving the root lift, but I don't have to work with my arm right up in the air, which is quite tiring. so my hair is damp. Okay, so I'm now going to apply curling cream. This product is got almond extract. It's really good to define my curl, give me a little bit of body, but keep the hair curly rather than frizzy. So you need to use about this amount, okay? Okay, when you apply your product, to make sure the product goes on the mid-length and the end rather than the root, put your head upside down, okay? And really just grab the hair like so, okay? Not depositing all the product. Yeah, so I still got some product on my hand. And then try to really have an even out the way you deposit the product. The product is not for the roots, okay? It's for the mid-length and end. Okay, so now I've got almost no product left. I'm really grabbing the hair and really manipulating the hair so my hair, the product penetrates in my hair. The manipulation of my hair is really important, okay? Right, so now I can feel that I've got a really good distribution and all my hair has this product. So take about 1, 2, 3, 4 section into my hair and then do this scrunch dry. So that's my first section. So I'm cupping the hair into my hand like so, and then definitely using my dryer on the lowest blow, the highest heat, and really dry that hair like so. I'm trying to get the dryer as much as possible into the roots in all different angles to make sure my hair is nice and dry. So once that section is almost dry, bring your section up like this and try to create a roller. So I'm rolling from the tip like so, okay? And I'm creating a roll with my hair, okay? Doesn't have to be very neat. So like so. And now I'm putting my dryer inside and really keep drying those roots. At that stage, I am dropping the heat as well because otherwise I'm burning my hand. And at the same time, I'm really scrunching the hair. The idea, imagine you're ironing a shirt, but instead of wanting your shirt smooth, you're creating lots of crease. So you're creasing your shirt and you're pressing with your iron. That's the idea. I'm really creasing my hair. So I keep putting my hair around like so and then heating up. And whenever you do your hair, what's the most important part of it is to let your hair cool down in the shape you want to do. So I'm redoing that little roll. I'm going to use a curvy grip and I'm attaching that section like so. Okay, so that's one section. The more section you do, the curlier my hair is going to be. Okay, so I'll start with just cupping. I mean, it's almost dry actually, so I can do the roll straight away. So just rolling my hair like this. Don't forget bits. I don't have my glasses, so I can't quite see what I'm doing. But, okay, so really using my hairdryer in all different directions on the roots. So now you've got your section out of the way. Sorry, I'm just going to put this one a little bit tighter. If you can wait a bit, that's better. So the more you let your hair to cool down in that way, the curlier your hair is. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put my face on, make myself beautiful, and I'll see you back in a minute. Hi again, I'm back, this time with my face on. So my hair has stayed in this little shape for about, I don't know, it took me about 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes. So I'll just show you what you do. So it will be quite curly to start with. So you gotta undo it and really shake the hair as much as possible. Bear with me, I do look a little bit like Bozo the Clown when I'm undoing it. And I'm taking into account that my hair will drop out. So, okay, so take the grips off and roll it and shake the hair. Really separate those curls, okay? But at that stage you don't use any brush or anything, just your finger. So this is it, lots of volume. I just love my hair to be big. You can't see my roots, that's the whole point of it. So if you're interested in any of the product I mentioned, please email me at ann@veckhair.com. You can also get those products on our online shop. But please don't reach for this box dye. Wait for us to do your hair. Me and the rest of the team can't wait to get back to work and to see you soon. So stay home, stay safe, stay tuned, and hopefully see you soon. Bye.